Good morning. This is Vicki with Saint Makeup, and I have a new color I want to show you. For me, it's new for me, and I just started using it. I've had it in my palette for a little while, but it scared me a little bit. This is Ruby, and it is a gloss, and I started wearing it this summer when my face was a little more tan. I tried it in the winter and it was just too much. That's a lot, but I want to show you how to put it on and then blend it in. It is a gloss, so it tends to be sticky, and I just want to show you what to do about that. So what I'm going to do is take the other end of my blush and bronzer brush and just start working it into my skin. It is very pink, but as you know, if you follow me at all, I am a fan of pink. Put a little amount on my nose, across my forehead. All right, now what I do to set that, especially in the hot weather, is I take our vanilla dust and dip into that. It's translucent, so I'm just gonna set that. Isn't that pretty? All right, and then the last thing, I'm gonna take my bronzer here, Bella bronzer. I'm just gonna add a little color. I'm just still using my same brush. All of this is blendable. What you think? Ruby and vanilla dust and a little bit of bronzer. I already have my foundation on, so also if you've got discoloration of your neck like me, because the sun don't shine there, you just blend that in a little bit with some Bella. Have a great day. I will link the colors that I used this morning in the comments. If you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe and click like. Thank you.